for commencing the opening of 14th edition of exercise Maitri.
Helping each other, whatever his circumstances may be.
Come from the normal university outside and cadet for 200 okay.
ตอนนี้อินเดียยังไม่มีข่าวเลย Yeah, once they will do the drill, after that we will be able to release only 2 or 3 guys. Không phải này, cái đám xài sẽ ấu, sẽ có cụm rồi đấy.
Okay, please pay attention now.
And the complete exercise contingent of Royal Thai Army to Umroi, and wish you a comfortable stay during the course of the exercise. It is with great pride and a sense of camaraderie that I stand before you today as we embark on this significant annual joint military exercise between Indian Army and Royal Thai Army. The exercise signifies not only the strong bond between our two nations, but also our unwavering commitment to ensure regional peace and security.
I, Lieutenant Colonel Sarawut Lutanda, Contingent Commander of Royal Thai Army, as the representative of the Royal Thai Army, am deeply honored to be here today for the opening ceremony of the 14th Combined Exercise Maitri 2025. Exercise Maitri 2025 is a combined exercise of great significance and a valuable opportunity for both countries to exchange experience, knowledge, various military skills, and enhance capability of both nations' force.